Yeah, this is about CSS. We are already seen. I hope you are already having an idea, right? See about CSS. Anyway, I will continue from this part, remaining topics. Okay, anyway, I will repeat the things. Just wait a second. Let me open the things. Visual Studio. Okay, create a new application for the CSS. Create ASP.NET. Yeah, ASP.NET Web application. So next click on create. So this one I will give the name for this CSS web application. Click on create. So this one right now I took empty project. Only created HTML and CSS. Hmm. First of all, right click. So anyway, add, right click add. So directly create HTML page. If you want to rename, you can rename it. Okay. Folder, if any required, I will use it. Otherwise, not. I'm not use anything folder like that. So double click on it. Okay. Let's say, okay. So here I will use something like p tag. P tag. Uh, this is styled with CSS. Save it. So inside remove everything. So here style. This is internal CSS. So as per if you attend any our my previous class, so here three types I categorize. CSS used to style the web pages. Like it's like a HTML web pages with the makeup. Simple concept. CSS without CSS means web pages is without makeup. Same thing. So here we are control things like colors, font, spacing, add layouts like that. So here three ways: inline, internal, external. Okay. Same like we see in JavaScript also, we discuss that kind of things. So inline means it is used to apply in the tag level. So within the tag, we're using tile attribute. We are applied text alignment, and within the line, within the tag level, only up to the tag level we are using this this kind of CSS. Internal means within the file level. So it is used to we separate style tag inside head tag. Inside head tag, we use separate style tag. See, inside head, I created separate style tag. So this we can access entire inside. So inside I created whatever created for paragraphs, for headings, and these things I created. Okay. Now, so this is a internal. Internal is within the file level. In the file level. Okay. Next one, same one. External is nothing but separate style sheet. Like extension is .css. Separate file I created, and. Separate style sheet I created. I given all common project level entire project. If you want to apply, you can use this external CSS separate CSS file and apply entire project. So in our HTML, I use that link drag and drop that whatever the file is there or manually type using this link tag. You can define that CSS. Okay. So next one. So this is like external CSS separate file I created and I use a reference here in this our add tag. Okay, this is external. This is what we discussed yesterday. Now let's continue. Let's continue from that one. Okay, before continue, I will use some internal CSS example for so here for this p tag color color is equal to blue. Next one font. Okay, now this paragraph tag. Not only this one, any paragraph tag. Run the application. See, this is style serious. Even though, even though if you are apply the number of example, number of p tags, all p tags it is up, it will apply within this file. Okay, if you want to apply individually, we have. If you want to apply individually, we can use IDs kind of thing. Okay, if you want to apply individually, that is our next topic. Already shown in our internal external CSS such kind of topics. Okay, let's see. For example, I will create head tag. I assume like that. Here I have four headings. H1. This is heading. This is heading. Font size. Already it is having some default size. Okay. First of all, make this one color red. Save it and run it. Okay. So it is displayed as red. So this is common. It is applied within the file all commonly like this. Okay. If you want to specifically apply on this only particular paragraph, only specifically apply on this heading tag. For that, we are using CSS selectors. Already in the above example, I already shown. But anyway, we will see. We will discuss about CSS selectors. So this type, whatever already we discussed in the previous example, right? Uh, this is we called as a uh, this is we called as element selector. Element selector. So we are only using element. So whatever we train our previous example, that is a element selector example. Okay. Same like oh, here I will something like yeah h1 tag. Already we are done. So specifically you are apply for element or tag, that is a so these type of things. It is applied for all h1 tag commonly. So already we see in this one. Okay, the next type of selection. Let's see. Now this is I will use something like paragraph. Paragraph. This is this is this is blue text. This is blue text. Okay. Right now there is nothing blue text. It's empty. Right now let's next one I use something HT H2 unique heading. Unique heading. Hmm. These two are not. I'm not at all applied anything. This is red. I applied. Okay. Let's see the example on the selectors. Next, there is two ways using class. Okay. By using class, this is the one way of selector. So give the name for this p. Okay. Give the name for this p text. P text. So that means anyway some class name I given for this class name I given. So how to use this one dot p text. So p text. Then here what happening? So color is equal to blue. Color is equal to blue. So in this case we are only selected. It is apply for this one only. Okay. For example, copy and paste. Next two things. Doesn't give any ID for that. Doesn't give any ID for that. Okay, save it. So this is only applied for which is having this class p text only applied for this one. So specifically we are selected for a specific paragraph tag. See here, see blue text only apply for the first one. Only applied for the first one. Remaining two are nothing. Okay, and that can I define one or more, two or more same class name? Can I define for another one? Is it possible? This one is possible or not possible? Anybody? Any guesses? Anybody having any guesses? Okay, let's see. See, the class can apply one or more, two or more. I can apply the same class. Same class, yes, it's possible. So this is the class selection is one type of selection. Next one more type of selector. One more type of selector. So this is we called as a class selector. This is the class selector. Okay, next topic we are called as ID selector. So next one, next ID selector. Okay, let's see. So here H2 I give some ID for this. H2 I give some ID for this. ID is equal to okay anything. Uh, H2 unique. Any name. It's your wish. Any name you can give. I give something like H2 unique. So how to call the IDs using hash symbol. Okay, classes using dot and call that name and IDs you can call like this. IDs you can call like this. Okay. Now in this case, what I apply font font style. Okay. Default font style already you seen in our previous example. Okay, for example, comment it, try for now. Just run it. Now this is our default font style, unique heading. But right now, font style or something, or he can use something like font weight, anything. Font weight is equal to it is something I used with bold, bold, using semicolon. Save it and go to here. Sorry. Okay, anyway, by default it's bold, so no need to apply this kind of thing. Bolder. This also doesn't make any difference. Let's make something like 500 font weight. Hmm. Now it is something like now it is having you can find identify the change. For suppose I give the 1,000, save it and rerun it. Okay, 1,000 is okay, fine. Next one, give the something like 1,500. Okay, it will not increase more than that. Okay, fine. Instead of this one, I will try to use a font family. It's better. Font family. Font family I will use in the next example. Here, font weight. Just use something like 500, then see the difference. So we can change that instead of this one. See if you observe here, will it will thickness is decreased for the heading. Next type of one more selector. One more type of selector is called. So this is also same like this. Okay. Here again I will copy two, three things. Okay. Here can I apply same ID, two or more possible. Okay. Let's try that one. Now go to inspect element. Even though if it is showing no error, but it's not recommended. Idea should be always unique. Yeah, as per the standard. Okay, few of the things like C sharp is not at all accepted. You have a different always even DB also we should you like if you have declared with the unique, you should give unique keywords. Okay, even though if it is accepted, it's not recommended way. What I am going to trying to say. So not recommended. Not recommended. Duplicate IDs. Duplicate IDs. Okay. So next selector. Next selector is something like group selector. Group selector. It is like group selector. Next. So here, how we can use group selectors? Something like this. H2, comma, P, comma. So two or more we can apply like this. Now here what I apply? Font style. Font style is equal to displayed as unique. All are displayed unique because commonly applied, right? H2 I declared. It is all applied. If you use some specific ID, then it will be do like this. If you're using specifically or apply like this, it is only apply for that particular element. If you are using like this, it's a group that group selector. It is two or more. Okay, clear selectors. Is it clear? The selectors. All of you understand? Okay, let me.